So here's the truth about video that surprises a lot of people. Bad video with good audio is watchable, but a good video with bad audio, people are gonna click away in seconds. Audio is literally half your video. It's what makes your content feel professional, polished, and emotionally connected. Now you can light your scene beautifully and film it in 4K, but if it sounds like you're recording in a bathroom or it's really bad, your video is dead. Sound is what pulls your audience in and holds their attention, especially for YouTube, interviews, or films. So now let's talk about gear. There's a few types of microphones that you're gonna see in video production, and each has its own strengths. Number one, shotgun microphones. These are directional. These pick up exactly what they're pointed at. They're best for just outside the frame. They're great for interviews and controlled setups. A couple examples would be the Rode VideoMic NTG, the Deity D3 Pro, and the Sennheiser MKE600. Lavalier mics, lavs. These ones clip to clothing like I have right here. They're good for vlogging, interviews, and run and gun. There's wired or wireless options. Examples would be the Rode Wireless Go 2, the DJI mic, and the Tascam DR10L. I'm actually using the DJI mic 2 with the lavalier attached to it, and it's going wireless into a receiver that's in the camera. On-camera microphones. These ones plug directly into your camera. They're better than built-in audio, but they're still limited. But they're great for beginners and people on a budget. Most of the time when I shoot, I personally use a mix of shotgun and lavs depending on the shoot. For this course, you're hearing me through a lavalier mic, which gives clean, consistent sound even when I move. Now, even the best microphone will sound bad if you put it in the wrong place. You want to get close. Closer equals clearer. Avoid pointing it at walls or glass. You'll get echo. Use soft surfaces nearby, like curtains or rugs, to help reduce reverb. And you never want to let a mic rub against clothing. Ideally, you want the mic as close to the subject as possible without being visible. Now, you might want to take a microphone like this and you can put it underneath the shirt or the collar, or booming a shotgun mic just outside of the frame. Always monitor your audio. You always want to use headphones and watch your levels. Check that your peaks stay around -6 to -12 decibels. That's a good place to keep them. And you really want to avoid clipping. That's distortion because your levels get too high. Never let them get up to 0. You should try to never let your audio levels creep up past -6 decibels. Now most cameras, including the Nikon Z8 that I'm using, have audio level meters built in. You should always use them. If your voice looks like it's hitting the red constantly, you want to turn your input level down. No mic? No problem. I'm going to give you some quick tips to improve your sound without spending a dime. Use your phone. You can use your phone's voice memo app and sync it up later in post-production. Just go film in a quiet room with soft surfaces. Face away from noisy backgrounds like windows, fans, and traffic. And you can also add subtitles to help your viewers stay engaged. But if you can't afford just one upgrade, a $60 to $100 microphone will instantly level up your video. Now let me show you a couple setups that I've used in the real world. Talking Headed Studio, you can use a lavalier mic and a backup shotgun microphone. Run and gun documentary, use a wireless lav. Client interviews, use a shotgun mic boomed overhead. If you've got a travel vlog, use a Rode mic on camera. All these mic options are going to be listed in the PDF user guide. If you take one thing away from this chapter, it's this. Your audience will easily forgive rough visuals, but they will not forgive bad sound. Next up, we're going to get moving, literally. We're going to talk about handheld shooting, gimbals, and how to use motion with purpose. If this helped you even a little, hit subscribe. I've got a full playlist walking you through every step of becoming a confident filmmaker, and if you want my free downloadable gear guide, the link is right below.